this part I am going to keep. For that, you can apply very lightly the fabric glue. Fabric glue, actually, when you are applying, it will be in white color. Then later, it will become transparent. So you need not worry at all. This stone rope also, it doesn't require too much of glue and all. Very lightly, when you apply itself, it will stick to the part nicely. Okay. And it is not that very heavy also. So each part one by one I am coming. So that without disturbing any of the things, we'll be doing it. If we are doing the work here and then doing this part, you may disturb that area what we have done. So very slowly, without disturbing the other area, we have to start and do it. Okay. These stone ropes for the end portion we can't give, ma. That's why I'm using it, keeping it in the center, so that when you keep it in the center, it'll be bright enough and it'll be attractive. Okay. Just place it to how much ever area you want. You can just place it and then you can use a scissor and cut it. Or you can measure even and take that particular amount and you can paste it. Now with brush or anything, you just adjust the area how it has to be placed. If you have any zigzag and all, you just try to correct it. Yeah, now we have completed this. Does it look good? Everyone, can you understand what I have done? Yes. And this portion, we can see how we can do the... If you want, you can keep the same thing or some other contrast colors, you can keep it. Okay. What I am going to do is some orange itself, I am going to place it. Or you get like this, so many colors of stones are available. Okay, this type of stones and all, some shapes and all, it is available. It is available. And this over this part. Okay, keeping this, it will be contrast only. If you want, you can use such things, or you can have anything somewhat like this. You can any patches and all, you can keep it. Okay, I want everyone to mute yourself, ma. And this portion, I am just going to put a glue or 3D outliner. You can keep and just paste it like this. And this area, what you are going to do is you can just decorate it with some other color. I'm just taking green color and I'm going to do a dots with that color. So contrast to pink, the green, dark green will be nice. That too sparkle green. It will look like stones. Okay. And this portion also, I'm just going to place that same thing. This I'm going to do it in, I'm keeping a dot and pulling it inside. I'm keeping a dot and pulling it inside. So that stroke also, it will be nice. And here in this yellow, I'm going to do it with pink. Keeping a dot, pulling it inside. Keeping a dot and pulling it inside. So this types of strokes and all, it will be very much useful in liquid embroidery. Okay, we have completed this part. Now I'm going to have a thing here. If you want lines over this place also, you can use any contrast color and you can do it. Okay. I'm taking magenta and I'm going to do it here. This portion I'm making with little bit subtle, let it be, so that I'm taking magenta color and I'm doing it in the same way, keeping a dot and pulling it with even pressure. Or you want to keep stones over this area fully also, you can very well do it. And the end portion, no, that we are not going to do now. After cutting the patch, we'll be doing it. Cutting part, you have to take little bit care only. Since my work, it is not right, I'm going to leave little more space and I'm going to cut and show you. But yourself, leave it for drying and then you can do the cutting part and you can do it. See here also that same bud-like thing is there. I'm going to do that same thing. This type of thick 3D outliners are there. No, that only we'll be using for the completion of the patch. Have all the materials ready with you and then you can start your work, okay? Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to go run about here and there. See this portion, I'm just making it little bit subtle. It is not that very bright, but even then it will look good. Shape like, it is leaf-like shape. Some patches like this also it is available, ma. Lots and lots of varieties are there. It is only our wish to do it like how we want. And in this portion, I'm going to keep just small dots alone, just round dots alone. I'm going to keep on pink color what I have done here.
Can I know the name of that stone which you have kept it to the sides?
It is only the
yes.
patches and stones. It is available in fancy stores and all. Okay. So many designs and shapes and all it is available. You don't have
there is no specific name
and all. Yeah, you don't have something like particular name and all you don't have.
Okay.
See, wherever I've given pink color, I've used this magenta as the highlight. Now, this bold lines and all it is there. No, that I'm going to do it with 3D outliner gold. Wipe the nozzle nicely with cloth, rough cloth or anything. It should be neat over this place. Only then you will have a proper design. If you want, you can have 3D, the stone line over this place also. How much of a grand you want, you can do it. It's only your wish. From the top part, we can start doing it. That outlines fully, I'm going to make it with this.
Is 3D outliner and 3D stone liner are the same?
Yes.
Okay.
Cone liners, it will have the longer tip, okay?
Okay.
The designs what I made here and all, I have used that.
Okay.
If the 3D outliner is not coming, you just prick it like this, put the cap and just dab it down like this, keeping it right upside down. And dab it like this and then you use, it will come without any, okay? That is the method. Like if it is not coming, you'll have any clog or block in the tube. And so you dab it and use, it will come out properly. While dabbing it and using it, just see that you use a proper rough cloth to wipe that area and then you can use it. Wipe the rough cloth and do now and then. See, certain areas I have not given the outline just because all the portion, if we give this thicker ones, it may not look good, okay? So certain parts I'm going to give with some other outliner. This end portion alone, I'm giving it with this 3D outliner. This outliner, you have it in a 45-degree angle and then do it, it will come correctly. It is not that you have to touch the area where you are coloring, okay? I'm making this little bit thicker just to have cuttings properly, okay? After doing this work, it has to be dried nicely. Only then you have to take the cutting, paste, you have to make the cutting over this thing and you just paste it on a anything, whichever you want to paste it on any dress or blouse or anything, you can use it.
Can I know how to paste this piece using which glue?
Fabric glue only. This is the fabric glue, normal glue. Premium is also available. You can use that also. Premium, you'll have a blue color cap over this place. You can just...
So the corners alone we should apply or
no,
fully?
not necessary. Like fully, even you can, inner portion also, that center part also you can apply fully and then you can paste it over. While pasting, see that from one part to other side you are pasting. There should not be any air clogging inside, okay? So each place you have to wipe it nicely. You just press it well and then go for the top portion. I'll tell you about that in the other thing, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Your voice is breaking, ma'am.
It must be because of network, ma. Just kindly adjust, no?
Okay, ma'am.
If you want to paste small stones and all over this area, you can paste it, or you can have tickies available like this. See, like this mirror-like tickies are available, okay? This even you can paste to certain areas. Like this part, I thought I can paste a ticky. Even for the ticky, you can have a 3D outliner and you press the 3D outliner dot and then keep it in the center and do it. It will come like this. Like mirror work, it will look. See, 3D outliner I have applied, but not the amount how I applied here. Little bit lesser only I am taking. Place over this and use anything like sharp things you can have. Press it in the center. Okay, now we have got a mirror-like outline. If you want, you can continue with the same size or you can have some smaller size. I think smaller size will be ideal for this part. Little bit of color should be seen, no, to that area. What we have kept now here, fully it has come covered. But see that you keep size which is applicable to that area. Place all the things, all the tickies, you just place it. While placing, be careful that you don't spoil your work.
Excuse me, ma'am. Do you have a channel so that we can be your follower?
Yeah, YouTube, I'm uploading all my works. Can
I know the name of it?
Yeah, I'll share the link.
Okay.
One more idea I can tell you, like why you can't take this means you can just touch this part little, take it and just place it. It will be easy for you. Then very slowly give a little pressure. Then you'll have a uniform.
Ma'am, please can you say your YouTube channel name, ma'am?
I'll be sharing the details, ma. In the group, if you are in the group, you will know about it. Okay? Are you in the
yes,
online little crafts? If you are,
yes, ma'am.
then you'll. I'll be sharing it in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Decoration part, it is totally your wish only, ma. Like you can do however you want.
Savita?
Yes.
Savita? Just now only I am joining. I am Tangam.
Tangam, we have finished the work itself. It is the second session we are taking it now. This is the patchwork, ma'am.
Okay, you have
This patchwork making.
Okay, because now only I came from school.
Okay, no problem, ma'am. You just continue like seeing it.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
After doing this, you have to cut it. You have to cut it, no?
Yeah, we need to cut it. And you can paste it in whichever thing you want.
Okay, okay. Have you
Allow
given
it to
that?
dry for some time, ma'am. Only then it will be nice. Allow it to dry nicely and intricate designs and all with some other cone liners. If you want, you can do it. And then you can use that for whichever purpose you want, you can use it. While doing the intricate lines and all, no, see that you do it very carefully.
Have you sent any pattern? No.
Yes, ma'am. I have sent the same design only I have sent.
Okay.
In the group I shared, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. But it is not necessary the same design should be taken. You can have your own design, ma'am. Anything you can have. If you can draw freehand, you can very well use that and come. This portion, I'm not going to do the outline now because after cutting, while pasting, we'll be having this 3D outliner and we'll be doing the outlining work in this part. Okay. So that now I can't do it. I'll show you the other patch which I have done and pasted. This work, after it is drying, I'll be posting it in the group, okay? See, this is the patchwork, what we have done. Very lightly, I'll tilt and show you. See, this is the work, like this part, no? This peacock part alone. Can you see, everyone? This part alone, I have pasted it on a blouse bit or the cloth in which we need to have the patch. You can just paste it. While taking out the patch, if this outliner, it is not proper, then you can correct it. While pasting it here in the cloth, you can have one more coating of it. ஒரு தடவை நம்ம பேஸ்ட் பண்ணும்போது இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து பேஸ்ட் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சோம்னா மெதுவா இப்படி தேய்ச்சிட்டே வாங்க. தேய்ச்சிட்டே வரும்போது நமக்கு அங்க ஏர் கிளாக் இருக்காது. Okay, whoever you can follow Tamil, I think you will be able to understand with this. Then without any air space, it should be pasted in such a way that it is plain to the area where you are going to paste. If you are going to take any bag or blouse or anything like that, this I have done in one cloth, okay? If it is going to be a blouse, you want this patch to be kept here, means see that this portion, no, it comes to this area. It should be kept in such a way that this part little bit, it comes to this area. Okay. You can do the patch like this part. You can just, I pasted it just because to avoid the time limit only, I just pasted it. If we want, you can take this and you can paste it to this part. Okay, here like blouse area I've shown you. Like this is the neckline, and in this neckline, that one part alone I have pasted it like this. So you'll have this type of patches when you are having only, you'll have this type of neck designs. Or every time it will be monotonous that you wear anything like this, pa kaluthu illa u kaluthu ad madri da irukum illaya. Or konja change or something different and peculiar if you want to wear your blouse, you can very well use this patch design for the blouse designing. Okay. And one more thing what I have done is, this is the other type of blouse in which fully with liquid embroidery only I have done. And this is the patch what I have made and I have kept it. See, this is the patchwork. This type of some thicker cloth we have taken and we have kept the real mirror and bigger size stones, and we have made the coloring in maroon color. Okay. And we have used that for this blouse designing. See, only these three are patches, and here it is something like embroidery, liquid embroidery design we have made it. Okay. These are all the enough ideas I've given, I think. You can use such stones or something like this also, you can paste it and you can use it. Now what we have done, no, this portion like what I showed you now. This part, you cut this part alone separately. You can have this as a purse designing you can do, or in tote bags you can paste it. Tote bags is nothing but like this, any bag, jute or tote bag or anything like that. In bags you can just paste it like this. You can have little part of the patch coming out so that it look modern and unique. Okay. When you paste it in this way and all, no, just paste it this way so it will look unique. Can you understand what I'm telling and showing you? You'll have really a great, nice, fancy
Yes,
bag. Okay, you'll have something fancy. When you paste such very small things and all outside, it may not be stable enough.
Yes, ma'am, it is
okay. When you have such broad portions pointing towards outside and all separately, then it will look really good. Any doubts, you can get it clarified from me. If you have doubts, you can ask me, ma. This part now we can't cut it, okay? Cutting part, it is nothing that you are going to cut the same area and you are going to take an evening. I'll be, after this part, like after it is drying, no, I'll just post this image in the group. So whoever is waiting to see the completion, you can see in that. Any doubts, you can ask me.
Ma'am, we can use any Fevicol to paste it.
Fabric glue is the best material you need to use it. Okay, it is made only for that. This type of fabric glue is available, and fabric glue premium is also available now. That is really very good. You can use anything like that and you can use it. Otherwise, the patch may not stick properly to the fabric. That is very important. Okay. This peacock alone I have taken.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
I have finished the patch and I have pasted it, and then I have done these designing and all in the blouse bit. Okay, if you want, after finishing
Okay.
the blouse, even you can use it. Or this type of patches can be done in so many numbers. You can make it, and even this while you're doing the painting on the sari and all, it is very difficult to have the same type of design without spoiling the whole of the designing of the sari. You can't do it. So during that time, it is better you have patches done like this, and just pasting in the sari, it's very easy. That will look neat and good. When you are not confident to paint on saris and all saris, or some bigger things, you can do such things, and then you can paste it. If one patch is not coming out well also, you can go for the other.
Okay, ma'am.
Any doubt? If you have doubts, you can get it clarified from me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma. Thank you all. I think I have taken correct time limit. Thank you everyone for joining. If any doubts, you can just contact me in the WhatsApp number what I have given you.